Hello and welcome to the CleanupOwl Demo. CleanupOwl is a tool where you can actually find the issues that have built up over the years of bookkeeping and surface them, study them, and fix them easily and yourself. So what I've created here is an account using my Google ID, my Gmail, and I have linked a dummy QuickBooks company called Messy Books LLC, and you can actually connect more companies here. So I'm going to run a scan of 2 years where it is going to find issues only in those 2 years. So I click the Run Cleanup Scan button, and now you can see that it is going to QuickBooks and fetching all sorts of data that it will now analyze. It is going to fetch the bills, invoices, customers, vendors, tax configuration, profit and loss statement, transactions list, and the general ledger, the balance sheet, and all sorts of aging reports. Now you can see that the scan is complete and we are able to see the issues. Um, Now you can see that there are 77 issues in my books. But just to tell you that in production, in real companies, you will see thousands of issues, especially because the books that are not cleaned up over many years will have way more issues. So what I'm going to do now is go through the issues quickly. So personal expenses as one issue. Vendor payments to expenses when no open bills exist. So why does that happen is explained here, where it flags vendor payments coded directly to expense accounts, right? And you didn't link it to the bills. There are many other types of issues that are here. Vendor payments not applied to bills, for example, or missing opening balances, or inventory purchases that book to expense. There are a bunch of issues that you're going to see in undeposited funds that are currently not here in my books, but often you'll see hundreds of transactions just piled into undeposited funds because they were not clean. So for now, we are just going to go to personal expenses that were charged to business. And instead of adding that as an expense, what it really is that it is an owner's draw. So what it is saying is that $80.98 were created as a purchase entry in QuickBooks, but it should be moved to owner's draw, which is recommended. You can also choose an account if you prefer to select your own account, but otherwise it will simply select owner's draw as default. And all you have to do is click apply fix. And upon clicking apply fix, it will go to QuickBooks and make the necessary changes to move this transaction into owner's draw. You can select any other issues and do the same fixes similarly. Certain issues require some of your input, where you may have to enter a bill number, or you may have to go in your email and find what this is about. And you can also apply the bulk fixes. For example, let me select bulk fix, and then it will let you know what sort of bulk fixes are possible. So for contractor payment not flagged for 1099, it's easily bulk solvable. So I'm just going to select all, and I can just click apply, and it is going to mark all of those contractors as 1099 eligible, because we have already scanned for the eligibility criteria, and this is a must fix situation. So say let me select 3 for now and click apply, and it is going to go and make those fixes directly for you. Once this is done, you can see those transactions turning green, right? You can come back to this, and you can also see the fix history, where you are able to see exactly how the data was in your QuickBooks earlier and what did we exactly change, so that there's no confusion as to what was the prior state and the new state. And this is exactly how in just a few minutes you are able to make fixes and clean up your books. Thank you.